everyone. Good morning, everybody. The market has just opened, and right now it's 9:15 on Monday. So the Nifty has opened approximately 100 points up. So just playing the waiting game and seeing what happens. So far, I'm fine with what's happening. Let me just do this. I think this is pretty. It's strange that 1850. I'm just trying to see if it goes up even further. If it will, then I'm going to get out of this put and then come closer, because this is in negative. Not much. Let's see. Just waiting for this to become 30. Okay. Place the order. So this I'm done. So now I will try and go to 920. This is 14,000 put. So now let's just see Nifty 14,500, 20th May. This is 20th May, right? ये है तो है. ठीक है, ये बहुत होता है at the time of adjustment. Sometimes when you get out of your position a bit early and then you're trying to make that adjustment, normally the direction starts going against you. So पता नहीं क्यों होता है, but होता है. So you always feel that. I'm sure आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा. So basically what I'm trying to do is, because the market has opened gap up, this is probably the only adjustment that I'm going to make right now. The reason being, so market is going up even further, right? Because my sole aim was to get closer from the put side, but considering this is 20th May, I'm not coming too close. What I'll do is I'll see how today goes, and if the market keeps going up, of course this will give me more premium, right? Because this was already at 18, and now if so the maximum जो वो जा सकता था नीचे is 0, right? So now I have added 10 more rupees to that, so it becomes 28, right? Because earlier what I had sold this at was when it was at 32, so I'm almost at the same price again, but with a closer strike price. So now if let's say the market keeps going up, right, so of course this will go into positive, right? I'm not too worried about this, because these two should automatically take care of it if there's any volatility, which will be the case. There's still 2 more days to go for this expiry. So ये जो भी -4,000 में है, like I check for mini put trades within the bigger trade. So this is like my mini trade. This was basically a long straddle, right? And this is a strangle, right? The reason I keep futures, you will notice that I have kept I bought one Nifty future and I've sold one Nifty future, both at the same time. There's hardly any difference. The reason being that in case the position goes against me and my strangle starts going into negative, I will use this as I will square off the position in which the Nifty future is positive and then start making adjustments towards the Nifty future which is in negative. That's something that I just do to kind of cover up for the loss or a bad day in which my strangle goes wrong on the expiry day, right? And it also gives me an idea as to how close I can get and still feel comfortable to keep making those adjustments. Because like right now अगर मेरे को adjustment करनी है इस हफ्ते में, मैंने निफ्टी फ्यूचर मे का 14,700 में बेचा है. सो फॉर अभी वो 21,000 लॉस में है. सो इन अ वे निफ्टी हैज़ टू कम बिलो 14,650 or 14,700 something, let's say मोटा मोटा से 14,700 to for this to become positive. अब वो 21,000 लॉस में है, तो what I can probably do is I can still be comfortable coming closer to 14,600 adjustment on the put side and sell that. But अभी वो मैं कर नहीं रहा हूँ because अभी थोड़ा टाइम है. अभी I'm just sticking to this. So let's see. Yep, it seems to be falling in place. Right now it looks okay. The gap up. Abhi it's just the starting of the day, so I'm just going by minute to see for the first 15 minutes. And all I see is VWAP, nothing else. लगता है ऊपर ही जाएगा. Let's see. Let's just see the Greeks as well. I love this feature यार, just to see, but इसको ज़्यादा importance भी मत देना because becomes so minus 141. Basically every point that Nifty in the current trade that I have, it goes down by it's one minus. I gain 141 rupees, but let's see. And just one more thing, I don't do intraday trades. Probably only on expiry day is when I sell, I convert positions to MIS and do some trades. Otherwise, the way I track my trades is for the week. So that's why you will see whenever I create videos, it's like an ongoing adjustment to the existing trade, and then I play that accordingly. मैं intraday नहीं करता हूँ. So it's not that I will post videos like I made this much profit, that much profit. That's not the idea. The idea is for you to and for me as well to just go through the entire process, and my sole intention is to help you through the process as to how do I make those adjustments, because a lot of people seem to struggle with that. And I'm not saying that I'm a pro at it, but I'm just trying to show what I do, and it works for me more or less. So let's see. Now the reason that I'm also comfortable coming back to the trade, so the reason that I'm also comfortable with 14,200 put right now, because I have still, even though this is in loss, I have still kept it, because 14,800 put that I bought, because again this will act as a protection in case the market starts falling down, for that 14,200 put that I have sold. Because agar dekha jaye, it's only 700 points away, and there's still 10 days to go. first. Good gap up, man. ठीक है अभी तो. So after the first 15 minutes, basically it should now settle down a bit. Yeah. Good thing is that despite the gap up, the 15,600 call for the month of May has not gone up too much, right? And that's the advantage of using a further strike price. So it still has some time to go, and थोड़ा time लगेगा मेरे हिसाब से. So if you notice, even the previous close was 31. So 6 ही रुपये ऊपर गया है from that. So अब मैं ये करूँगा that अगर so I'll kind of keep it here only, unless and until, or let's say if I get a chance in which the market falls, what I'll do is अगर जैसे break even पे आएगा 15,600 call, all I'll do is I will just buy it back and maybe go another 100 points ऊपर, so 15,700 call बेच दूंगा. ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. It's okay. It's just to be, again, the idea is to be safer, to be in the safe zone, uh, and the focus is not entirely on making money or more profits. The idea is to stay safe. अगर सेफ रहोगे तो पैसा अपने आप बन जाएगा. Yep, see, now the market is coming down a bit. अच्छा, very nice. अरे वाह, प्रॉफिट ले लिया लोगों ने. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा, बहुत दूर है अभी. एंड सेलिंग में ये मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन अगेन व्हाट हेल्प्स इज दैट टाइम इज़ वर्किंग फॉर यू. सो अगर निफ्टी आज यहीं पे भी रुक जाता है, जहाँ पे भी है, पूरा ऊपर नीचे जाके यहीं पे आता है, तो 12,000 का थीटा है, विच ऑफ कोर्स अगेन you can't go purely exactly by this. It's just indicative, so it gives you a good idea. That's all, right? So let's see. Okay, so I think I'll not this thing, Reliance, HDFC positive, Reliance, Infi IT, Nifty IT. IT ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं है. Yep, IT is the one which is bringing it down big time. ये ज़्यादा जाने नहीं दे रहा ऊपर. ठीक है, अपने लिए अच्छा ही है. निफ्टी नीचे है, सो इट्स फाइन. ठीक है. Excuse me. Yep. So Nifty seems to be falling back. Yep. लो पॉइंट ऑफ द डे अभी तो शुरू हुआ है, बट ऑलरेडी जो उसने अपना आज एटलीस्ट, तो अभी नाउ इट्स काइंड ऑफ बिटवीन द गैप between Friday and closing, and let's see. So in this scenario, I'll just now play the waiting game. Again, मेरे को अभी कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I've already done what I wanted to do. So let's just see what happens, and we'll go with the flow and kind of make adjustments if needed. अभी बस बेस्ट थिंग यही रहेगी दैट निफ्टी या तो यहीं पर है या ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे ना जाए, तो ऑटोमेटिकली टाइम टिकट डज इट्स जॉब, and I'll just wait for this 15,600 call to come into negative. To come into positive. This has already started, doing fine overall. So, yeah. So I'll just play the waiting game, and any updates that I make to this trade for the rest part of, for the remaining part of the day, I'll put it on Twitter as well as Telegram. So thank you for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading.